Hello my friends, I'm here once again in Gaas, Balamban. I'm taking here my vlog because it's very beautiful place and futuristic view. And pero talagang mahingal kayo kasi ang taas ng bukid dito. I will touch my topic again about the fight of Inoue and Tapalis, Marlon Tapalis. Both are champion and great fighter. But Inoue is much more advantage, and even many people fight fans voted him as the one will win this fight against Tapalis. Pero sa akin lang, hindi lang sa Pilipino tayo, kapwa Pilipino, pero every fight meron talagang tinawag na I don't know what is the English term or Tagalog term ng balhibuan. That's why many fights like that na nigawas, even old times, like for example Fraser, Foreman lost to Ali, but Foreman win against Fraser. Makita natin yung mga kuan na hindi lahat nga na kaya nila. And also that the fight of Marlon Tapalis, nakita ko din magaling din siya. Yung mga fight niya, meron din siyang hand speed, footwork, meron siyang power, pero hindi niya makaya yung mas speed at ma-power at merong lahat si Inoue, kasi maraming mga kumbaga cards na magamit ni Inoue, kaniyang mga footwork at speed. Pero sa sinabi ko, hello once again, this is my continuation of my reaction for the fight of Inoue and Tapalis, which will be held this December 26. I hope this fight will be the fight of the year. Where about Inoue. As what I said, he is a complete fighter, and he have many skills to show in this fight. The footwork, the speed, the power, the stamina, which we already saw against Donaire. Donaire is a hard-hitting fighter, but he survived that. So got all. He's a counter puncher, and he also turned from counter puncher. He turned to aggressive
aggressive fighter, explosive fighter, which he has before he become a complete fighter. Just like Pacquiao, a very explosive fighter. His defense is the offense. That's because his idol is Pacquiao, as what he said during his fight against, what he said during Manny Pacquiao visit Japan, and he had training there, and he asked some tips. So he gave tips to Inoue, and Inoue absorbed it, and also Inoue trained hard, and what he learned, what Pacquiao told him, he followed it. Inoue is a most disciplined fighter. Kita natin yung disiplina talaga. Kaya champions are great disciplined fighters. This time, nakita ko yung galawang Inoue, yung pag si Inoue na mag-fight, nakita ko yung mga ala Pac-Man style, yung slide in, yung fake slide in and back. Meron siya ganun. Kaya kung makuha yan sa mga coaching staff ni Tapales, kailangan makakuha sila ng yung mga defense or counter attack yan. Yung kamungkahi ko lang na they should watch the fight Manny versus Marquez, yung the one Pacquiao was brought down the canvas and knockout loss, because that kind of technique of Pacquiao has also to Inoue. Nahabit na nila yan, so baka masingitan natin yan. Pero yung sa right lang ni Inoue, tulad ni Pacquiao, si Inoue, yung mga yung mga fights niya parang si Pacquiao din. Dapat makita sa mga coaching staff ni Tapales kung paano ginawa ni Marquez yun, yung fake din nag-attack si Pacquiao, anong resulta, na knockout. So ganun din ang gawin nila ni style ni Tapales, yung pag-fake ni Tapales tapos nag-fake out din pag-attack, birahin sa wala left hand, kasi sa side ni Pacquiao left-handed mas Pacquiao, kaya dito na suntok si Marquez sa tuo. Si Tapales man ay right-handed, so dito magpunta yan. So dapat i-muscle memory yan ni Marlon Tapales. Birahin yung counter yan, gikan sa pag slide fake in, slide out, pagbalik ni Inoue, birahin yan dyan, birahin niya ng left, tapos punta siya sa right side, tulad ng ginawa ni Marquez. Na muscle memory ng Marquez, kahit na knockdown siya, tumayo, wala na si isip, nagawa pa rin niya. Yung body shot din ni Marquez, ni Inoue, paano siya, lagi siya magganon at mag straight siya, right straight, parang karate style na punch. So yan, butas na yan, so yan sila mag-counter. Pag maganon, ano ang gawin nila, counter attack dyan, ganon ka para sa karate punch na ganon, tapos balik pag punch na dyan, mahimo lapit agad, close the distance at yung ma-distance na siya sa kanya na yan dahil matangkad si Inoue. Inoue is taller than Tapales, so smaller fighter should go inside the distance to a taller fighter because it's his distance, and the taller fighter have difficulty, maglisod sila, hindi masyado makaparyada, so it's his fight if makadikit siya. It's for all na, inigsoda na niya, makatama si Inoue, makatama din sa Tapales. Kaya makita dyan ang stamina, kaya tikasin yung stomach ni Budiga ni Tapales dahil dyan ang mga suntok na palaging makapanak out ni Inoue, yung mga body shot. I-body shot din, let him taste his own medicine si Inoue, dahil yung Korean at Japanese